Feathers always fascinated us. Long before this beaded bird perched crimson by our bedside, we shared a scarlet boa, shed glamour over bolding festive fields, feathers plucked, like daisies scattering she loves me's to the wind. Next morning, lying phoenix bright, you wrapped me in insignia of freedom, your shoulder feather inked and coiled for flight. 1,000 meters and a year away I would propose, a rose gold feather beating in my palm. Then feathers framed our wedding rings and perched upon my stocking Christmas Eve. Each Advent since a new bird roosts for me, and one by one we fly them to our tree. There are tiny hands to help us now, grown bigger with each flight. Our adhesive boy, who stuck me back together when I shattered, whose favourite colour's rainbow. Our impossible boy, who flies 100 miles for every one we walk. My ruby bird no longer joins the flock. He is winged, unthreading in his molting boa nest. And we are broken now as well, have lived through loss and judgment. There are days in which we skipped staccato stutters, wing beats anxious fast, others where we couldn't move at all, songs caught in our maws. But we are stronger than 1,000 coddled doves, city pigeons clubfoot dancing under eaves, chasing feral thermals through the leaves. If you watch us close where sunlight plays, you'll see we're far from gutter grey. We've throats of silver, amethyst and jade, our wingtips diamond shade. 1,000 meters and a year away, you wrapped me in insignia of freedom, a rose gold feather beating in my palm.